Okay, boiler trouble part 2. Replaced expansion tank. Did not solve the problem. Then replaced the reducing valve, I guess we're going to call that. So with those two items replaced, the issue has been resolved. Also replaced that emergency relief valve there that was leaking. So, learning experience. Anybody that's having that type of problem with their boiler where they're hearing escaping air occasionally and having leaks, you'll want to replace your expansion tank and your reducing valve. I guess that's what that's called. Boiler is back up and running. No leaks. Good temperature, good pressure. This is not my field, so this is just a video to help if anyone has a boiler and they run into this type of problem. I would not suggest working on this yourself. I did have help. Okay. Everybody stay warm. And good luck.